Hello and happy Wednesday from the Snohomish Caliber branch. I'm Brandy Hekker.
And I'm Joy Blodgett.
Thanks for joining us today. So we just wanted to take some time to kind of talk about what's going on in the market and what our experience has been. So
Give you a quick update on how everything is.
yeah, and there's been a lot of noise about rates lately, right?
Oh my
These
gosh.
high rates. But at the end of the day, we're still able to help people, and people still need to buy homes. So we're used to working in the market with with higher rates. This was historically low in my experience, right?
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, you and I both have been in the mortgage industry since, rates were in the sevens.
Yes,
which at that time we felt that was, super high. Actually, we felt they were low. I remember clients calling me like, it's 6.5, I want to refinance. And I'm like, yes, go.
Yeah.
But, and then we dropped down into twos and now we're back up. It's been, 2%. I mean, it's gone up 2% in the last few years. So, or 2 years. So
yeah. And I think it's normalizing. So what we're seeing is more of a normal rate market, right?
Yeah.
So I'm still able to help people. I know you are too. So let's kind of take a second to talk about like how we're able to help you, and people we're able to help in situations. So I know myself that I've been able to help clients that need to consolidate debt. They have high debt. They maybe owe somebody money out of their property. And then I also have situations, where there's a balloon payment or they're in an arm that they need to get out of before the balloon hits. So there is opportunity, to still refinance and help you if the situation is right?
Absolutely. And a lot of people right now, it's summertime, springtime, and we are seeing people want to build decks and be able to do stuff. And so they definitely need to get that cash out of their house because it's expensive. Building, costs are still up. So I've definitely seen some of those clients reaching out about, hey, how do I get equity out of my house? And depending upon what their credit looks like, we'll determine, hey, what program we should or shouldn't do. And another situation where people are refinancing, unfortunately, is divorce or a family situation that's come up. That's another reason, like, a lot of people are refinancing still. And, and then purchasing. Purchases, people are still wanting to buy, even with high rates. So everybody thinks that nobody's wanting to buy, but there are, people putting offers out there.
Right. And maybe we will see that help our buyers in some way be able to get under contract. If we see, more houses come on and maybe a little less demand due to the rates, it may be the right time for you to buy.
Yeah, and a lot of times, people think, like right now everybody thinks like, hey, you've heard about all these people putting multiple offers on everything. But as we talk to agents, and I know you talk to a lot of agents, and I talk to a lot of agents, they're actually not getting as many offers as they used to. So, I mean, people are taking some more time thinking about it and stuff, which is actually going to help maybe reduce prices down, which, I mean, on some homes we are seeing price reductions, which then will help you, even with rates going up, you're still able to get into those homes.
Right. And breaking into the market is important. Getting into the market, you're going to build equity, you're going to build wealth. And so if you don't make that jump into the market, you're never going to be able to take advantage of that wealth building.
Yeah.
So I know I brought into the market when the rates were over 7, and I've benefited, over the years. I was able to refi, down into lower rates eventually, but I mean,
and honestly, like, your money is sitting in the bank. You're not getting much for it. And so right now is a great time to still buy because, we all know inflation's up. And so the inflation is going to make your money go down. So you might as well invest in something. And the number one thing you can invest in is real estate. That is the biggest asset. And that's how most people actually make their money.
Yeah.
So, buying real estate is still an amazing opportunity. And here at Caliber, we want to help as many people. And we have tons of different programs available.
Yes, so give us a call. We'd love to chat. Reach out, email. I'm at 425-750-9528.
And my cell phone number is 425-879-5771. And either one of us would love to help with you and work with you and stop by the Snohomish office anytime.
Yeah, and here to answer any questions. There's, sometimes the homeownership path or buying investment homes, it's a path, it's a journey, and asking questions is the first step, getting educated. So let us know if you'd like to sit down and meet. We'd love to see you in person as well.
Yeah.
Have a wonderful day.